So the number one challenge I think facing federal managers today in successfully implementing a telework program is giving their frontline supervisors the tools necessary to measure the performance of the employees who telework, to be able to actually adequately measure performance and productivity. I think the first step is to demonstrate the type of talent that agencies can acquire by offering the flexibility of telework. I know the number one reason that I give my manager and my boss's boss is the unique talent that we're able to capture by going outside of the usual markets where most agencies, for example, DC, moving outside of the DC area to be able to capture talent that's across the US and have them work for DC, but just not in DC. Culture has to be one of the most difficult aspects of an organization to change, but in order to change it, you have to have sustained activity over time to make that change come about. And one of the things I suggest when creating a telework culture within an agency is to start by training employees in the telework environment. So by this I mean training them in terms of communicating with one another virtually. How do you build teams in a virtual environment? How do you use the tools and technology that we have at our fingertips to better communicate? And so by overcoming the distance geographically, or even someone working down the street from you, we're able to create that culture that embraces telework because you can communicate wherever you are, whenever. I get up every morning, I walk down my stairs in my pajamas, and I sit at my desk, and I'm able to work from home. 2 states away from Washington, D.C., but yet I'm able to influence and to make a difference in Washington, D.C., all the way from my home in North Carolina.